Hi and welcome to the iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing video. The iPhone 11 Pro Max comes in 4 different colors: gold, space gray, silver and midnight green. This is the space gray model. You can find full specifications for the phone in the description below. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the 64GB edition. The iPhone 11 Pro Max comes in 3 different storage capacities: 64, 256 and 512GB. The first thing you will see is the iPhone itself. These are the 3 cameras. They are triple 12 megapixel, ultra-wide, wide and telephoto cameras. This is just a welcome package in different languages. And this is the SIM card tool you will use to open up the SIM card tray. These are just Apple stickers. Have fun with them. Let's put them aside for now. These are your Apple wired headphones. This is the charger. The connection on the charger is USB-C. This is the data/charging cable. It is Lightning to USB-C cable. So this is all that comes in the box. To be honest, the specifications are underwhelming. As a phone that costs around $1,000, it should have more than 4GB RAM in my opinion. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.